Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to resell Temu products. Okay, so as you can see, I have my Shopify store on the other tab, and here I have my Temu account. So what we're going to do here is to simply sign up or log into your Temu account and then open your Shopify store. Okay, so let's just have a look at these products that we can actually resell. Okay, so right here, just have to click on this one, and then you have to sign up or logged in to your Timo account. Okay, so this is my account, the account that I'm using right now. Okay, so let's go to the best seller section, and then let's try to look for the product that we can resell. Okay, so on the other tab, let's open Shopify first, and then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on the start free trial or click on logged in. So since I already have my Shopify account, I'm just going to click on logged in. Then right here, you just have to finish setting up your online store. Okay, so you just have to add your first product, import your orders, double check your migration, customize your online store, and then add custom domain. Okay, so let me just close this one. Okay, and then right here at the left side, you just have to click on the app section. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for this application, which is the Robo Product Importer. Okay, so you just have to search for this one, then be able to see this product. So all you have to do is to simply click on that product. Then right here you have the step-by-step process and how you can install this one. But we just going to get the extension of this application. So you just have to click on this get extension here. Then here in the disclaimer section, so with constantly changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported might not be accurate. So verify data before importing. While the app can import product data from most sites, there could be cases where the data is unavailable or inaccurate. So you may report errors by raising a ticket here. And now let's click on the get extension here option. Okay, and then you'd be directed to this page. So all you have to do is to add this to your web browser. So currently I am using the Brave web browsers. I'm just going to click on this one and then click on add extension. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once the application is installed in your web browser, all you have to do now is to click on the extension icon, and then we have to pin the Robo Product Importer. Okay, so you just have to pin this one. The next thing that you should do is to go back to Temu. And now let's look for the product that we are going to resell. Okay, so for example, maybe let's focus on footwear. So shoes or socks. You can also go here in the category bestsellers, 5-star rated, to call for school, new arrivals, and then here, when you click on the category section, we have, featured products here: home and kitchen, women's clothing, sports and outdoors, women's curve clothing, and then toys and games, and etc. Okay, so for example, let's go to the sports and outdoors. So when you click on this category, you'll be able to see here different products. Okay, so next thing that you should do is you just have to look for the product that you think is trending as of the moment. So for example, this one, I am going to import this. Okay, so I'm just going to select this product. The next thing that you should do is to simply click on the extension that we have added. So this one at the top, and then you'll be able to see this option, which is the add to Shopify. So you just have to click on this option, and then it'll be redirected to this page. Okay, so you have here the basic information. Okay, so as you can see, we have the same title for this one, and then you also have your product type, and of course the vendor, which is the Timo. That is why it is very important to use this extension, so that we give credit to the seller or the vendor, which is the Timo. Then when you go to the description section, so if you think this is inaccurate and then you would like to change this to text, so you can do that as well. You just have to delete the images. So right here in the import section, you'll be able to see here the add product to Shopify option. Okay, so let's go back to the description section. So we have the disclaimer at the right side. Okay, so after checking everything, you just have to click on add product to Shopify. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then as you can see, the product imported successfully. Okay, so let's try to go to our Shopify store and go to the product section. And as you can see, we have successfully imported this product from Temu. So it means that we are reselling this product now. So when we clicked on this one, we'll be able to see the details of the product. We have the title, the description, the media, the categories, and then the prices of this product. Okay, so for example, here in the description section, so if you'd like to delete the images and then change this to text description, so all you have to do is to manually delete the images. Okay, so you just have to do that one by one. Okay, so just have to click on the image and then click on the delete option. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this one as it is for now. And then let's go back to our importer. Okay, so we have the basic info, description, images, then the import section. So for example, we would like to import another product. Okay, so let's go back to our Shopify store first, and then let's save our changes. Okay, so for the category, let's finish this one. Let's say apparel and accessories. Then we have the pricing. And then if you would like to change the pricing, since this product is already in your store, so you can change the title as well. So after making any changes, you just have to click on the save button at the top. Okay, so this one beside the discard option. Okay, and then see, for example, you'd like to import another product, so all you have to do is to do the same process. Okay, so here we have the product, the status, inventory, the sales channels, the markets, category, type, and of course the vendor. Okay, so let's try to import another product if the extension is going to work again. Okay, so let's go here to the best seller section, and I think I am going to resell this one in my store. You just have to click on it and then click on the extension at the top, and then just click on add to Shopify option, and then this product will be added now to your Shopify store once you finish the step-by-step process. So you just have to go to the import section and then just click on add to Shopify. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.